I cannot. I will drop the bike. Good morning, online people, and welcome back to my channel. Today's plan is to go to a viewpoint, Las Palmeras, something like that, and then we're heading more south. I want to reach South Cotabato today, and then after that we will head north again. Let's see. I'm not doing any plans. I'm just planning hour by hour. Let's go. Okay, I'm already sweating. It's hot and I need gasoline. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. These kids, they were following me yesterday wherever I was going, and they even, like, I laid in my bed, they even knocked on my door. No privacy at all. But yeah, they were just interested, and now we're leaving this area here. Chill, huh? No rush. Goatee. Alright, should be a gasoline here. Thank you. Hello. Can I have gasoline? 2 liters? Salamat.
You have company?
No.
You only?
Yeah.
Right.
It is a long ride. Okay. Salamat. Bye. So funny that she was like, oh, long ride. It's like, wow, yeah, if you would know that I'm doing the Philippine Loop. La Palmera, let's go. Wow, look at this beautiful palm trees with fern growing on it. It's La Palmera mountain ridge. I just realized that I didn't experience off-road for a long time now. I swear I'm so lucky with this Xpulse. It's so easy with this bike, it's crazy. It's a bit bumpy. Oh, you can already see it here. Nice. Wow, nice. Oh, really? Really? Pavement now. Okay. Google Maps is telling me we're here. Wow! Driving through the forest, nice. And mud. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Go back. Oi. All right. This way to La Palmera. Really? Okay, we stay left. No. Oh, fuck. Oi. Oi. Man. Yeah, man, exhaust is in the water. I need. So that's the situation. Water is coming out of my pipe. And of course there's a lot of water in my exhaust. So I have to get the water out of the exhaust. And I have to lift it, but I don't think I can do it with the girls. So I have to find somebody who can lift the bike with me. Yeah, but I cannot. It's water in the exhaust. So I have to lift. That water is coming out. My goodness, it's too heavy.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. I help.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. So we have to lift one. So the water is coming out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Thank you so much for your help. Salamat tayo.
Enjoy your day po.
Thank you. Is there another river?
Yeah.
One more river? Yeah?
No.
The last one?
Last one.
Just one?
I can follow. Thank you so much.
Thank you as well. I have to thank you more. Okay, ready? Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Okay, another try. No more river. That's good. I'm so wet. I am so wet because I slipped when I wanted to lift the bike. So I fell in the water. I don't know actually if you can see it, but yeah, man, I thought the river crossing would be super easy, but then there was a big stone I didn't see, and yeah, I should just go with the throttle, but no. As soon as I stop, of course, I drop the bike. But with the help of these amazing teenagers, I think, I made it. My goodness, I could never lift it without them. Yeah, but it happens. What should I do? It happens. And I didn't drop the bike now for a really long time. A little river crossing and here we are. Ay, 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 ay. Man, I have to go back as well. It's not just one way. But wow, the girls were telling that there was a lot of water coming out of the exhaust. I didn't see it because I was holding the bike, but they were just telling all the time, like, a lot of water, a lot, that's a lot. Good morning. Hi. Oh.
So first, just logbook.
Okay. Picture first? Okay.
Yes. Do you have a sticker?
Yeah.
Thank you. I follow
like-
this.
Follow me. You may follow you.
There.
Yeah, I got.
On the left side.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Salamat. Huh. Here. Wow. All right, my goodness. this view and my beautiful bike. Look at my beautiful Xpulse. I'm getting a native cafe
Native coffee, yeah.
from Sultan
From Sultan Kudarat.
Kudarat.
That's a #1 product of Sultan Kudarat.
Coffee?
Oh, coffee, yeah.
Oh. Have native coffee now. People here are super friendly, super interested. Took like 1,000 pictures with them. But I have the nicest view. This is not Bukidnon. This is Sultan Kudarat. I think. I'm still bad with names. Sexy. Whoop. That was slippery. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay, the bike is still good. Like, I don't know how often I drop the bike. I think around 7 or 8 times now, and it's still good. Shout out to Hero. Building this bike was like a good thing. It was still worth it. I tell you, for that view, it's really worth it. Even if I drop the bike in the river, my goodness, that's the worst case. I still have to go through the river again. And now I really have to reflect what I did wrong, because if I do it again, I will drop the bike again. My goodness. I think now that I dropped the bike in a river, I will be always afraid of river crossings. Ay, 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 ay. So now I really have to make it without dropping the bike to face my fear. And I'm already shaking a little bit because I'm scared that I will drop it again. I mean, nothing happens. It's just proving me that my skills are bad. So, what I learned, the bike is driving without me. So if the bike is dropping, it's my fault. Oh, here it is. Okay, Lucy, you can do it, you can do it. You can do it. No. Oi, 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 oi. That was so close. That was so close. My goodness. But I did it. Holy Okay, there we go. You know what's the problem? Now I know what's the problem. The problem is that little stones inside the river are loose. They're loose, so they're moving. So the tires are going crazy. And I already don't have the best tires. Honestly, it's really time for me to replace these tires and get new ones. I can show you later if I don't forget it. But wow, I did it. My goodness. Okay, there we go. Survived La Palmera. The Grand La Palmera. Wow, pavement. Here we go. Woo! I'm awake, I'm awake. You know why I didn't drop the bike this time? Because when I was close to dropping the bike again, the throttle was my savior. Wow. But it's so beautiful here. Whoopa. Wow, look at this view. Nice. Up, up. We're at the end. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Carabao. There's nothing holding me back. Do, 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 do. There we go. We're back at this little town. Okay, 82 kilometers, 2 hours. 1 hour 50 minutes. Let's go. I always have this kind of adventures in the morning, and I'm so weak in the morning. I cannot even tell you because I need 2 hours to wake up properly, and I don't eat breakfast either. So I start to eat after I was driving like 1 or 2 hours already. So imagine me dropping the bike in the morning without breakfast, being weak. That's not a good combination. Wow. Two more go. Definitely has the most horses of all Philippines. Like I didn't see that much horses in the Philippines, and then you come to Mindanao and then it's like literally everywhere. Oi. Do do do. Ew, ew. Sugar, you know I got a candy that you're out of my dreams. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ew, ew. Oi. Boom, 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 boom. I would know. Have you ever seen the rain? Boom, boom, ba-doo, boom. So pretty. It's so pretty. Ay, 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 ay. Welcome, Blaan. Blaan, 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 Blaan. Yeah, 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 yeah. What if God was one of us? Bum, 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 baby. Just a straw like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make this way home. Wow. Is it already Lake Sebu? No. Still have 1.5 hours. Wow. You have a nice view everywhere. I don't even know where to look. Nice. Whoa, totally crazy. Forget the one later. Wow, it's so nice.
Thank you.
Where do you go?
To Lake Sebu.
Lake Cebu. Do you have a Google map?
Yeah.
I have Google Map, yeah.
You
Here.
ride a zip line?
Let's see. I don't know yet. Where are you guys going? Nice bikes.
Trail rider, enduro,
Yeah? Where are you going?
mountain.
Mountain. Last one. Salamat.
Ride safe.
You as well. Man, I could actually ask them if they want to train me, right? Thank you for visiting us. Thank you for not smoking, my goodness. Another smoke-free city. go. Barangay Libertad, Barangay Freedom. Oh, wow. Lake Sebu, 18 kilometers. Wow, nice. Watch the world burn. Welcome to Barangay Columbio. What a view! Mountains, rice terraces, cows. Nice. Barangay Little Baguio, where people go for a walk with their cows. Welcome to Lake Sebu and welcome to South Cotabato. Home of the living treasures. Nice Lake Sebu. Oh, first lake. This one is not Lake Sebu. That's Lake Lakit. Wow. What a beautiful lake. Oh. Welcome to Lake Sebu. That's just the beginning. It's actually big. It goes like all around there. So let's see. Nice. Hello. Welcome to Lake Sebu. We made it. Alright, ordered fried tilapia, good for 4 to 5 people. I didn't know that, but I have an amazing view. Half cup rice and 4 tilapia. Okay. Tires. Front is not that bad, but still I need new tires. Thank you. I follow you, okay? So I was eating here and they have rooms as well. So I got one room for 600 pesos, totally fine. And I can park my motorcycle in front of the room. Oh, thank God he's going in front of me. I would never find this way. I think I will end this video now. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you enjoyed my crash today. And yeah, if you like this video, like it, comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next one. Oi! No, I cannot. It's muddy. I will drop the bike. You can? Okay. It's heavy and tall. Good luck. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi. Nah, I couldn't do that. Definitely not. Man, I have to drive through this mud tomorrow. Yeah. Skills, man, skills.
Oh, it's so heavy, ma'am.
It's heavy and it's tall.
Yes.